Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Tape Dispenser is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools in any home or office, streamlining tasks from packing boxes to wrapping gifts with effortless precision and speed, making it an indispensable item for anyone who frequently uses tape for various applications, ensuring a clean and efficient application every single time. Number 5. Mr. Pen Heavy Duty Packing Tape Dispenser Gun, 2-pack. Introducing the Mr. Pen Heavy Duty Packing Tape Dispenser. This essential tool makes packing, sealing, and labeling boxes incredibly simple. Crafted from durable plastic with a comfortable grip, it's designed for ease of use. Its 9-inch length ensures comfortable handling in any situation. This dispenser is perfect for your heavy-duty packaging and shipping requirements. It's designed to accommodate 2-inch wide tape with a 3-inch core. Experience fast and easy tape dispensing with its lightweight design. The smooth unrolling action prevents hand and arm fatigue, making your tasks a breeze. Equipped with a sharp steel blade, it cuts tape cleanly and efficiently every time. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use. Each package includes 2 tape guns and 2 rolls of packing tape. Get everything you need to start packing right away. What we like? This tape gun comes in a convenient 2-pack with included tape rolls. Its comfortable grip and sharp steel blade ensure quick, efficient, and fatigue-free packing. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for moving or frequent shipping, this is a great choice. What people say? It rolls smoothly and doesn't get stuck like the other ones. Very sturdy and easy to use. Makes packing way faster and way less annoying. This is operated with only one hand. You just touch the tape to the box, drag it to as far as you need it and then rotate the tape gun a bit and pull. It's as simple as that. Number 4. Officemate Heavy Duty 2-in-1 Tape Dispenser. Introducing the Officemate Heavy Duty Tape Dispenser. Its weighted base allows for effortless one-handed dispensing of both 2-inch and 3/4-inch tapes. This dispenser is designed to hold both a 2-inch packaging tape roll and a 3/4-inch tape roll, offering great versatility for your needs. Beyond tape dispensing, it features a convenient compartment slot. This is perfect for storing pens, pencils, and scissors, keeping your workspace tidy. It's an excellent addition to any mail room, shipping department, or sample room. Streamline your operations with this efficient tool. We care about the environment. This dispenser is made from 30% recycled materials, offering a sustainable choice for your office. What we like? Its weighted base allows for effortless one-handed dispensing, perfect for busy mailrooms or shipping departments. Plus, the handy compartment keeps your pens and scissors within reach. If you need to streamline your workflow and keep essentials close by, this is the dispenser for you. What people say? This tape dispenser is pretty much indestructible. It is a beast. It is heavy enough that it can hold a box flap down while you tape. This is such a help if you are processing an order or shipment alone. This dispenser does not slide across the table as you pull tape off so it doesn't fall and twist up your tape. It cuts straight and clean every single time so I don't have to rip it apart and restart the roll. It holds my scissors so I can trim down shipping labels and black markers for scribbling out barcodes. The tape slides on well and is secure on the roll. The tape tears perfectly. No dull cutters on this dispenser. This is so perfect for the wide tape I use. No more fumbling around trying to get tape off the big roll than it getting stuck where I can't find the end to start tearing more tape from. I love it has a holder for pens and scissors also. It is well balanced, sturdy, and trouble-free. The heavy base ensures easy one-hand operation, making wrapping packages or just taping a breeze. Number 3. Officemate Recycled 2-in-1 Tape Dispenser. Tired of your tape dispenser moving every time you pull tape? This weighted base firmly grips your desk, allowing for effortless one-handed tape dispensing without any shifting. Get a perfect cut every time. Its sharp blade smoothly slices through tape, ensuring no jagged tears or wasted strips, just clean, precise cuts. This dispenser is versatile. It fits both 2-inch packaging tape and standard 3/4-inch tape rolls, so you're always prepared with the right tape. Keep your essential tools within reach. The built-in compartment helps organize pens, scissors, and other small items, decluttering your workspace for better efficiency. Designed for durability, its heavy-duty recycled construction ensures years of reliable use. It's the perfect addition to shipping stations, classrooms, or craft rooms. What we like. This dispenser boasts a weighted, non-skid base that stays put, enabling one-handed tape application. It accommodates various tape sizes and even includes a compartment to declutter your workspace. If you value stability, versatility, and a tidy desk, consider this option. What people say. Heavy and great quality. So easy to put the tape in, and black is a good color. The tape slides on well and is secure on the roll. The tape tears perfectly. No dull cutters on this dispenser. This tape dispenser is pretty much indestructible. It is a beast. It is heavy enough that it can hold a box flap down while you tape. This is such a help if you are processing an order or shipment alone. This dispenser does not slide across the table as you pull tape off, so it doesn't fall and twist up your tape. It cuts straight and clean every single time, so I don't have to rip it apart and restart the roll. It holds my scissors so I can trim down shipping labels and black markers for scribbling out barcodes. Number 2. Desktop tape dispenser, black. This handy dispenser fits both small and large tape rolls, making it perfect for various tasks around your home or office. Use it for sealing envelopes, attaching items, or even decorating your workspace with ease. It features a high-quality blade that ensures quick and clean cuts every time. This durable blade is designed to last, providing effortless tape dispensing whenever you need it. The weighted, non-skid base provides a firm grip on any surface, allowing for stable use from any angle. You can place it conveniently whether you're sitting or standing. Enjoy the convenience of one-handed dispensing, freeing up your other hand for multitasking. It's perfect for when you're on the phone, typing, or writing. You'll be delighted to have this reliable item at home or in the office. It offers great value at an affordable price, compatible with tapes from our store. What we like. Designed to fit both 1-inch and 3-inch core tapes, this dispenser offers great flexibility. Its weighted, non-skid base ensures stability for easy one-handed use, making it ideal for various tasks from sealing envelopes to decorating. If you need a versatile dispenser for both small and large tape rolls, this is a solid pick. What people say. It is weighted and works well. It's weighted perfectly, it doesn't slide around when you are trying to tape stuff. The cutter is sharp and works perfectly. The spool is the perfect size for standard heat tape. And it's ridiculously easy to load with tape and to use. Handles the one roll perfectly, is heavy and stable. Number 1. Tape King Packing Tape Dispenser Gun. This tool is perfect for sealing cartons and organizing supplies. It provides a reliable solution for home, office, and warehouse packaging needs. Designed with a wide grip, it offers steady control for easy use. It works smoothly with its accompanying tape for all your storage and mailing tasks. This dispenser features an adjustable brake for controlled tension. It's built to keep your tape aligned for consistent application on boxes. With a simple flap system, it ensures clean tape release. Enjoy smooth operation without tangles or tears during use. This package includes a heavy-duty dispenser and a roll of tape. It offers reliable support to make sealing and packaging more efficient. What we like. This handheld dispenser is built for heavy-duty tasks, accommodating 3-inch wide tape with an adjustable tension brake for controlled application. Its comfortable wide grip ensures steady control during prolonged use. If you frequently pack large boxes or work in a warehouse environment, this tool will make your job significantly easier. What people say. This tape gun is an absolutely outstanding product. There's absolutely no setup required. This tape gun was ridiculously easy to put into service. I am very impressed with the quality, the performance, the durability, and the simply brilliant design of this tape gun. These dispensers are a breeze to use. Loading the tape is a snap, and they effortlessly dispense the perfect amount of tape for sealing boxes and packages. The sturdy build quality ensures they can withstand heavy use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.